Hello from Myrtle Beach. We're here at the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk. We're going to give you a walking tour and show you all the entertainment, dining, everything they have here on the boardwalk, as well as, of course, the beautiful ocean. And we're also going to walk on Ocean Boulevard and show you all of the attractions plus what's coming new on Ocean Boulevard. There's a lot of new stuff coming to Ocean Boulevard as far as entertainment goes. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. So glad to have you. So here's one of the cute photo ops they have here. Really cute with the ocean in the background. And we got Dirty Don's. I know a lot of you have left comments that you enjoy eating there. Let's take a look at their menu real quick. Hopefully you'll be able to see it with the sun glare. You can always pause this if you want to get a better look. Got a lot of options there though. So here are the new benches. They're not really benches, they're seats. They've got these bigger ones and the smaller ones. So they have added seating back. That's been a common question. And here's the Fun Plaza. That is an arcade. We do have a video on the Fun Plaza. So if you're interested in seeing the inside of that, feel free to check out that on our channel. I'll try to remember to link it in the description below. Here's another fun photo op. And I was going to walk out here and just show you this insane wind today. It is a beautiful day, as you can see, but it is super windy. Like really windy. Really rough surf. You would not want to be in the water. Well, it's too cold to be in the water. And don't get me wrong, it's not cold, but you would not want to be in the water today for sure. All right, now we've got some sweet treats here, ice cream and stuff, and the New York style pizza, and there's another arcade. So two big arcades, and there's also an arcade on Ocean Boulevard across the street at the Ripley's auditorium. It has its own arcade as well. Never gets old, this view though, with the palm trees and the ocean. It's a beautiful boardwalk, it really is. I think the Skywheel adds a lot to the look and feel of the boardwalk. And here's another photo op. And then I'm going to show you another photo op that's sort of hidden around the corner here next to the Gay Dolphin. Here we go. We belong at the beach. So if you're looking for another wall photo, you've got that one right there. I personally like the ones that are in front of the ocean better though. And then, as I mentioned, the Gay Dolphin, we do have a video giving an entire tour. It is a multi-level, massive gift shop. It's huge. It's definitely worth checking out when you're here. And if you want to watch our video, again, I'll try to link that below, but you can just search for it on our YouTube channel. Lots of people out enjoying this beautiful day. There's Mo Moons. And if you're wondering why some things look closed, the restaurants are not open yet because this is a little before lunch. So it's a little too early for the restaurants to be open. But the stores are open. Everything else is open. It's just the restaurants. And also the Skywheel opens at 11 every day. Always check their hours because that could change. But at the time of this video, they open at 11. So that's something to keep in mind too if you're wanting to ride the Skywheel. Let's go get a better look at the Skywheel. And then we will backtrack and take a look at the attractions that are on Ocean Boulevard. So this is Plyler Park right here. They have live music sometimes here in the summer on this little stage. And so there is the Skywheel looking beautiful. Now let's head back around and take a look at these things that are on the side here, as well as the attractions that are on Ocean Boulevard. And like I said, we've got some new and exciting stuff coming, so we're looking forward to that. And we will definitely go check those out once they open and give you all the details. So we've got a gift shop here and another gift shop that's not quite open yet. And then right across is Love Sugar. I think the name says it all. It's all kinds of candy and sugar containing foods, all that yummy stuff. And right over here you've got a zombie zone experience. Got a few more gift shops down this way. Right across from the Skywheel on the other side of the road is a public restroom. Definitely worth mentioning. And then actually let's go ahead and cross over. I'll wait till we get up to this crosswalk. By the way, these are the new, not super new, they started putting up last year, pedestrian railing just to keep people from, you know, walking out into the street in this busy area, keep everyone safe. And here's Hi-Fi Coffee if you're looking for some coffee in the Boardwalk area. And then right here is the entrance to the Gay Dolphin from the street side. So if you want to come from the Ocean Boulevard side, that's where you want to go. Then we will wait and cross right here when the traffic clears. I want to talk about a few things over here. So this is where all the new stuff is coming. So right over here where you see this dinosaur guy coming out, this is where the new Ripley's Illusion Lab is going to be. It used to be their 5D theater. Now it's going to be Ripley's Illusion Lab. They are also completely retheming their haunted adventure, and it is going to be a 1928 murder mystery theme. So we're interested to see that. But then they're also going to have a putt-putt, but it's indoors. It's supposed to be really crazy with like zip lines and all kinds of stuff. It's also going to have a bar and other things. So that's really exciting because we like putt-putt. So we're definitely interested in checking that out when it comes. So we will keep you posted about all of these new attractions. We will definitely be checking them out as soon as they open because we're very interested in all of them. And then also they are expanding the Ripley's Mirror Maze. We have done the Mirror Maze. It is a lot of fun. And they are expanding that, adding more to it. So we would definitely recommend that. That's one of those things we did not think we would like. We just did it. We were like, why not? Let's try it. And it was a lot of fun. It was a lot harder than we thought it would be. So very entertaining. More gift shops. Now everything on the left side of the street you can pretty much access I shouldn't say everything. Most things on that side you can access from the Boardwalk side, so we'll focus more on this side. And so you can see Fun Plaza, for example, over there, which we showed you the other side of that. A lot of beachwear shops. And when you see these things that say welcome centers, those are not like official city welcome centers. Those are people selling tickets, so just giving you a heads up about that. Like here's another one up here where it says Welcome Center. There's the Fun Plaza again. Then we've got a Bargain Beachwear up here. And then coming up ahead on the right is the Ripley's Auditorium. It is a really, really cool museum, but when you hear museum, don't think typical stuffy museum. This is really fun. And here's that arcade that I mentioned right there. But the Ripley's, believe it or not, is definitely interesting and worth checking out. They are obviously working on the roof today. And it also opens a little later, I believe 11, but always check their hours because it varies depending on the season. We have crossed over, so here's Peach's Corner, which is on the corner. That's an iconic part of Myrtle Beach, been around since I believe 1939. We've got the Boardwalk gift shop, we've got Duffy's, and the Bowery. And then over here on the right is the usually used for volleyball course, but they have that down right now. It looks like they put up a very large stage. I don't know if they're getting ready for the Country Music Festival this early or if that's going to be something else in the meantime. And then I want to mention the coffee house has permanently closed as far as I know. It says temporary on their sign, but I think they are permanently closed. And then we have the Oceanfront Bar and Grill, which is right where we started. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.